Hey, how you doing everybody? This is John and I'm going to be doing a video review. This is going to be for the Beslowe USA motion sensor outdoor wall lights from dusk to dawn. So let's go ahead and take a look at the unit. There you can see that you have the casing, which is very nice. I chose this because it was a pretty good price. For example, um, you could buy two of these units for the price of one. You have the casing, which is a really nice outdoor appearance, and you have your motion sensor. Now, you can choose from two settings on this. The first setting is it'll shut off after a little while, or you can leave it on for 30%, and then when activated, it goes to 100%. The installation of this unit was very good, um, quick and easy, wasn't really that bad. And I'm using a light bulb, which is 8 watts, or for LED, 60 watts equivalent. That's pretty much basically it. So you have to check out the next video. It'll be on my YouTube channel playlist, and you'll be able to see this in action when it comes right on. And there we go. It's going to be for the Beslowe USA motion sensor outdoor wall lights from dusk to dawn. See you next time and have a great day. Bye.